So today we continue from where we stopped in our Axon framework complete application, and we are going to be continuing from here. We've been able to display the HTML page, and now we don't have anything displayed on this page. We'd like to have a table displaying a list of products in this page, so let's go to do it. So I'm going back to the HTML page, so I'm going to open the index.html page. So let me just close every other one. So now I'm going to build up the table. First, let me take out this so that we only have the container. Let me see, yeah, so we have only the container at this point. So I'm going to now permit me to take out this big stop from the navbar, or maybe I can leave it for now. So I'd like to first add a HR here so that we have a space. So let me just write the table, the code for the table. So it's gonna be table/table for sure. I'll have T table head/table head. Okay, now I've set up the table. So this is the table at this point. So basically we want this is the head, and this is the body. So we want the product to display in this table. So what we are going to use Thymeleaf syntax. We are going to say th each is equal to product and specify products. So for each product in product, so basically for each product in product, so this is a repeatable row at this point. So we are going to extract, we are going to put the text for this to be equals. So about the same thing, so I'm going to say to assign product dot, I think it should be description. So this very last table column is going to contain the button. So let's say A, so it's going to be an anchor button. Permit me to just first use a div tag Okay, so this div tag is going to be a group of buttons. Maybe it can be delete, edit, and details. But for now, we just want to add a button to say order now. So I'm going to hit this one, and I'm going to now add the anchor tag that will contain the button. So the button, the order now button. Let me see if I can show you the order what we are talking about. So if I go back up, so this is what we are trying to achieve. So this is what we are trying to achieve. So we have this button to be order now button, and it's going to be a link. So let's get back. Alright, so the important thing I need you to know is how to specify the URL of the endpoint that you want to make this request. So the URL is going to be specified using the syntax. So it's going to be, let's say, at new order slash. So if it goes to new order endpoint, we are going to specify it at this point. At this point, we are going to pass in an ID, the ID and the price along as a URL parameter. So to do that, you are going to enclose in brackets. So now I'm going to enclose this. So this is opening and closing. So these brackets here, this rounded brackets, you are going to specify the parameters you want to pass across. In this case, we want to pass across the ID of the button of the product that was selected. So I'm going to just specify it as well inside curly braces, and we need our $, and we have product.id. All right. So this is how you do it. And we also want to pass in another parameter. So it's going to be price. So you don't actually need any space. So it's going to be price equal to specify using the $, and it's the same like before, product dot price. So I hope it's a bit clear. So this is how you do it. So let me just make the code a bit more readable. So the link, which is the anchor tag link, it has an ID for the button. Its name is the ID, and we have the href, which is the URL, the target URL, and we have the class, and that is fine. So I think we are done with the product table for now. I would like us to now write the code to return a list of products that will be displayed on this page. So I'm going to continue in the next video. We are going to write the code to return a list of products to this place.